Okay, strap in, everyone. Today we're going to do a deep dive into HR.
Oh, yeah. Things are changing so fast these days.
And, I keep hearing all this buzz about AI and how it's about to, revolutionize how HR professionals get insights from data.
And you're hearing right. We're talking faster insights, deeper insights, and forget those gut feelings.
So data-driven everything.
Data-driven everything. It's a total upgrade from the old ways of doing things.
No more spreadsheets. Please tell me no more spreadsheets.
Well, you'll probably always have some spreadsheets, but yeah, way less time drowning in data.
So, what can I actually do with all this AI and data stuff?
Oh, tons. Think people analytics.
What's that in plain English?
Think using data to really understand your people, like how engaged they are, how they're performing, and even stuff like predicting who might be thinking of leaving the company.
Oh, predict who's going to quit. Sign me up.
Yeah, it's powerful stuff. And, Google's Project Oxygen is a perfect example of this in action.
Project Oxygen. What's that?
So back in 2008, Google was really trying to figure out what made a great manager, right?
Makes sense.
So they went all in on data and found out that the best managers, the ones people really loved, were the ones who had these amazing soft skills.
Soft skills, huh?
Yeah.
More than just, knowing all the tech stuff.
Exactly. Things like empathy, good communication, really connecting with their team.
Wow, so data basically revealed the secret formula for awesome leadership.
You got it. And then Google actually used those insights to totally revamp their management training programs.
It happened.
Employee satisfaction went through the roof, 15% increase after they rolled out the new program.
15%. Okay, I'm starting to see why everyone's so excited about
It's
this.
pretty incredible.
So how does AI actually speed up all this insight gathering?
Oh man, are you ready for this? Imagine tools that can scan thousands of resumes in seconds. Not just scan, but pinpoint the best candidates and even predict how well they'd fit in the company.
Wait, so no more spending weeks sifting through applications?
That's the goal. It's all about algorithms.
Algorithms, huh? Those sound kind of scary.
Oh, they're not scary. They're basically super smart recipes that tell the AI what to look for, how to analyze all that data. And some companies are even using AI for video interviews.
Whoa, AI interviewing people. How does that even work?
So there's this company, HireVue, and they're using AI to analyze everything from a candidate's speech patterns to their facial expressions, all in real time.
Facial expressions. That's wild.
I know, right? And then they compare that data to what they know about their top performers. So it's all about finding those subtle cues that predict if someone's going to rock the job.
Sounds like something straight out of Star Trek.
It does, doesn't it? But it's happening now.
So does this mean, robots are going to be hiring people now?
No, not quite robots. Remember, it's a tool.
Okay, good. Because I was starting to worry about my job security there for a second.
No need to worry. AI can actually help make things fairer,
Fair? How so?
Well, because it can help remove some of that unconscious bias that humans sometimes bring to the hiring process.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
Yeah, so it's not just about speed, it's about leveling the playing field, making sure everyone gets a fair shot.
Okay, that's really cool. So we've talked about recruitment. What about, when someone actually gets hired? What about onboarding?
Onboarding, oh yeah, AI is totally shaking that up too. Think a completely streamlined and personalized onboarding experience for every new hire.
No more of those, super generic welcome packets and boring orientation videos?
Exactly. AI can help tailor everything to a new hire's specific role and their needs.
So they actually feel welcome and, they know what they're doing.
Exactly. IBM's using AI platforms to help new hires navigate all the paperwork, answer their questions, and even help them get up to speed on company culture.
Okay. IBM using AI for that. That's pretty impressive. It sounds like AI is taking all the headache out of starting a new job.
I think that's the goal, right? To make it a more seamless and enjoyable experience. And that's what's so cool about AI and HR. It's not just about automating stuff. It's giving HR pros these superpowers to really help their people.
Okay, I'm digging this. But what about stuff like training and development? Those are pretty human things, right? Can AI really make a difference there too?
Oh, absolutely. Imagine personalized training programs for everyone. AI can analyze performance data, figure out where someone needs to grow, and even recommend specific courses or materials all in a snap.
No more those generic training sessions that everyone has to sit through.
Exactly. It's all about giving people what they need when they need it.
So they actually learn and grow. Right. Makes sense.
Exactly. And because it's so fast, your teams can adapt to new stuff way quicker too.
Okay, this is blowing my mind.
Yeah.
What about employee well-being? Can AI help with that too? I mean, keeping people happy and healthy at work, that's gotta be tough.
Yeah, it's a big one, and AI can definitely help. Think of it like AI can analyze data from wearables, like those fitness trackers and even employee surveys.
Oh, okay. To like spot patterns.
Yeah, to spot patterns and red flags, things like stress, burnout, even potential safety risks.
Whoa, so it's like an early warning system for HR.
You got it. And it's not just about spotting problems, AI can suggest ways to fix them too.
Like what? Give me an example.
Sure, like personalized mindfulness exercises, stress management tips, even ergonomic assessments to prevent injuries.
This is wild. It's like AI is giving HR a crystal ball or something. But hold on. With all this data, all these algorithms, doesn't this feel a bit, I don't know, Big Brother-ish?
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. The ethics of all this are super important. We got to be careful.
Like, could AI be used in a discriminatory way?
It could, which is why it's so important to set clear guidelines and make sure AI is being used responsibly, ethically, especially in HR.
So no more bias and definitely got to protect people's privacy.
Absolutely. Transparency is key too. People should understand how AI is being used, and they should have a say in how it's developed.
Right, right. It's about using AI for good, not just because we can,
Oh,
right?
yeah, 100%. So how can HR folks get ready for this future where AI is everywhere?
Yeah, what should we be doing now to, like, prepare?
Well, first thing, never stop learning. This AI world is changing so fast, so you got to stay up to date.
So read those articles, take some courses, all that.
Exactly. There's tons of resources out there, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try stuff out.
Got it. Learn, experiment, what else?
Connect with other people. Network. Go to conferences. Join online communities, all that. Share what you know. Learn from others.
So build a community, kind of like we're doing right here, right?
Exactly. And remember, this isn't just about learning new tech skills. It's about changing how you think about HR.
So think less about paperwork and more about people.
Exactly. It's about being proactive, using data to make smart decisions, and always putting people first.
Wow, so AI is, like, completely changing the game for HR, huh?
Totally. It's a super exciting time to be in HR.
Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that.
Like, think about it. With AI, HR can get to those insights faster, make better decisions, and really build a workplace where everyone can, do their best work.
That's awesome.
Mhm.
And I gotta say, you got me feeling super inspired.
Me too. The possibilities are huge. What if AI could help us create a world where, like, work isn't just a job,
Where it's more than just a paycheck.
Exactly. What if it could be a source of, like, purpose and fulfillment for everyone?
Oh, wow. Yeah. And what if AI could help us create a future where everyone feels valued, respected, and like, empowered to do amazing things?
I think we can get there. I really do.
Yeah.
But it's up to us, right? We have to be smart about it.
We can't just like throw AI at the problem and hope for the best.
Exactly. We got to be thoughtful, innovative, and keep people at the center of it all.
Couldn't have said it better myself. This has been an amazing deep dive. Thanks for taking the time to share all this with us.
Oh, happy to do it. I love talking about this stuff.
And to everyone listening, remember, the future of work isn't some like predetermined thing.
We get to shape it.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
the power to create the future we want. So let's use AI wisely to build a better future for everyone. And until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of HR.
Because the future is brighter when we embrace technology and remember that human connection. That's what really matters.